Alright, hello everybody. We're here at the Westin, downtown St. Louis. This is a fancy place that thankfully I was given the opportunity to tour. One of the fancier hotel rooms I've actually ever gotten a tour. So first off, like always, we'll start here at the front door. And you can see there's a map of the property down here. It's a very funky layout because it's in a historic building. So you can see the main elevators are back over here up from the lobby, and to get to this room you actually come out over down here, and then there's a staircase that you hit and around the corner. And you could end up walking all the way over to this attached building over here too. Very interesting layout. Anyway, I'll back up and give you a better look at the door here and the entrance to the room. We have our deadbolt and latch lock, so we're well taken care of in the security department. So, we'll start off by looking at this very swanky bathroom in here with some really odd artwork in it. But you can see you start here with your toilet in the front of the room, complete with a phone for all the fancy important people that are using a landline phone while they sit in the toilet in 2018. But no, I mean, joking aside, this bathroom looks absolutely gorgeous when you first walk in. You have a, real tub over here. Not jetted or anything, but it looks beautiful. Fixtures are all in really nice shape. Everything looks spotlessly clean in here. A huge sink that is just decked out with all kinds of linens and complimentary bath stuff here. Condition, body wash, shampoo. And I know Westin has this Heavenly collection. It's part of the brand, so the these materials are branded that way. The linens are also branded that way, and they're really nice linens. These are some serious towels. You see, we have our coffee machine over here. Though I don't see any coffee supplies. They must be somewhere else. But yeah. Very, very nice, and we haven't even gotten to this crazy shower yet, which I have not tried. Wow, it's a huge door. Everything feels very high quality. This bit looks a little bit worn, but not excessively so. Anyway, let's go ahead and try this thing out. Hopefully I won't get completely soaked. Wow, very cool. Rainfall Showerhead, and I guess if you, well, it makes some noise. It screams at you if you turn on the handle. But for the most part here, this is very cool. Everything looks really high end. Everything looks nice and clean, and you even get a robe. So when you come out of your fancy tub, you put your complimentary robe on. So, we continue out here, and they have this little thing set up. I guess, oh, so these are your coffee supplies. I wonder why they put the coffee maker in there, because they have the outlet and everything for it here. But yeah, so you have your coffee supplies in here. It's actual name brand Starbucks. Got your ice bucket over here. It's a tiny ice bucket, complete with, oh, look at that, little ice tongs. Oh, little ice tongs that I can't figure out how to put back on the thing. You have some real glasses and the option for some individually wrapped plastic ones as well. And your coffee cups over here. And then, oh, one other thing I thought was really cool. The closet light is automatic, so when you open the doors, it turns on. And the doors kind of latch into place if you push them far enough. It's interesting. So yeah, it's a, you can't even see the light, wow. But it's a nice roomy closet, very clean, and you even have a safe over here on the wall that you can use. That's so cool. Then you look out at the rest of the room from here, and it's very impressive at a glance. This is, for my friend that's staying here, a mid-stay cleaning, so the bed probably looks a little bit neater when you first check in. But, very cool. The bed linens are really, really plush. I love the lighting that they did here too. And something else that I noticed when I was taking my little preview peek before I started the video, each individual light has its own switch that's reachable from the bed. These side tables are really cool. All the furniture is sort of built into the wall. And you can see these linens, again, as part of that branded Heavenly Bed thing. So you have a top comforter, a sheet, another comforter, and another sheet, just to get down to this level. And then 4 really plush pillows in the back. Excellent bed. Mattress feels awesome. I'm getting a little bit jealous here. And then over here, you have the large TV and this nice looking built-in. And you can see, again, the sign that you're staying at a full-service hotel. You've got your $6 bottles of water back here. I'm not sure why this bottle of wine is just sitting in the front. It has no tag on it, too. I wonder if that's like their complimentary gift or something. Either way, I wouldn't chance it and get charged like 20 bucks for a tiny little thing of wine. Yeah, all very nice. This whole setup's just nice and neat. Then you have your mini fridge down here. Break the tab to open. Yeah, I definitely won't do that. And then you have a very fancy executive-looking desk back here. So, a little space over on the side there. You have some outlets. Nice chair, too. Yeah, tons of space to work. And one thing that's neat, being a historic building like this, I love this window. And it looks like this has been replaced, so I bet this was not a cheap window to custom order. At first I was thinking you could open it because it actually has these locking tabs on the top, but they have it set up in a way that it cannot open. Not that you really would want to anyway in the middle of downtown St. Louis. So, this is probably, I mean, it's still not a bad view, but the views out all the other ways are probably a little bit better than this. With this one, you're basically just looking out at the highway and a couple parking lots. This is on the 4th floor, by the way. So, really nice drapes. I love how long this plastic wand is, just because the drape is so high up. This thing has got to be like 8 feet long. So, it's kind of funny for me. I don't have a lot of experience at these full-service luxury hotels, because mostly with work I'm staying at mid-scale select service properties. My personal travel, I stay in a lot of budget properties. So getting a tour of a place like this is a really neat opportunity. And it's actually nicer than I even thought it was. You know, I've lived in St. Louis a long time. I've had people visit. Even before I lived here, I stayed in some of the hotels downtown. I never got to see the Westin. So, cool experience here. Definitely a very nice hotel. Really hope you enjoyed this video. And that is it.